The so-called movement against the Vice-Chancellor at Tezpur University is on its 38th day today. The conspirators are asking why the Vice-Chancellor ran away, but the truth is that the Vice-Chancellor did not run away. He was forced to leave the campus. On 22nd September, when four conspiratorial faces like D.K. Bhattacharya, Biren Das, Kusum Kumar Bania and Gautam Sarma turned the university into a field to roast their political bread, the Vice-Chancellor, in the interest of Tezpur University, was compelled to leave the university. These four together incited students, some teachers and staff, misled them, and threw the sacred atmosphere of the university into the fire of politics and hatred. Now these are the same people who spread lies day and night that the VC ran away. But the real truth is that 1. D.K. Bhattacharya is the operator of the leftist agenda. 2. Kusum Kumar Bania has become a broker of politics. 3. Gautam Sarma is the mastermind of rumors. 4. And Biren Das has become blind with greed for a chair. Because of their dirty politics today, classes are stalled, students' futures hang in the balance, research work is halted, administrative work is paralyzed, and what was once a temple of education has now become the center of these fours' hunger for power. This is not a movement but a conspiracy for personal gain. Against education, against the students' future and against the truth. The Vice-Chancellor tried to advance the university at national and international levels. He attempted new projects, new opportunities and to create a better environment. But these four were afraid that if the university progressed, their political shop would be closed. That is why for 38 days the university's atmosphere has been held hostage. In place of knowledge there is sloganeering and in place of education there is conspiracy. But now the time has come to clear this poison and expose those four faces who have tarnished the name of Tezpur University. Truth will return, education will win again. The Vice-Chancellor has not run away, he is fighting the conspirators in the interest of truth and the university. And the day is not far when the university's atmosphere will emerge from the political swarm and be transformed back into a temple of education.